Dynatek have combined forces to give your vehicle the peak performance it deserves. Introducing Fuel and Fire, a package that merges the best of both worlds in one easy-to-install kit. Fuel and Fire includes a legendary Dynojet Jet Kit and the top-tier ignition system from Dynatek, delivering smooth, clean performance you can feel. Here's what you get in the kit: the Dynojet Jet Kit, featuring precisely calibrated jets and a proprietary needle design. This ensures the optimal air-fuel mixture, giving you increased horsepower, improved throttle response, and smooth power delivery. The Dynatek ignition system, an advanced setup that optimizes spark timing for cleaner combustion, quicker acceleration, and enhanced overall performance. Fuel and Fire, available now for the following fitments. To learn more, visit Dynojet.com.